September 19th today, which is Thursday, and we are starting off here with the chart of S&P 500 to see what happened here. The market dropped early in the morning. It almost gapped down on most of the stocks and came down to 1450, but it made its way up here and started trucking all day and then finished the day at 1460, just a fraction lower than what it is. So basically, it has been a sideways action. Nothing really happened here much because that's where we were in the morning. So it finished here, and we just finished a little bit lower than yesterday. And the action on it was because of the jobless claims that came at 382,000, which is slightly higher than before, and also the conference board's economic indicator, leading economic indicator, also fell 1.9 something, and that triggered some of these news items. There were some troubling reports from outside, from China, but nothing major, which is what the fundamentals were this day, and it did not move that market so much. But the market paired its gain here, and let's go back and look at the 9-month chart on S&P 500 and see what this is trying to do. This is what it is. We made this leg up here, then we made another leg here, and now we're consolidating here from 914. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tight trading days except today, and then the movement is lateral and to the side, slightly bullish. This is a bullish continuation pattern, and it implies more a rest and then some higher prices to come. 1460 is what we're holding it here pretty nicely. The market direction is overbought, but it's higher at this point. And RUT, which is the RUT, let's take a look at it on this one. RUT is went up there, but it sharply dropped today and ended the day again at 851, and it has a little different chart pattern and setup, and it's getting working off its overbought conditions. So we have restrained not putting any trade. Maybe I'll take care of it and put a trade tomorrow and see how it goes. But we were down 4 points, not a whole lot. NDX, which is the technology, and you want to take a look at the technology. What has been doing is sitting there at 2861. This is a cup shape pattern, and now it is just going sideways for the amount. Let's take a look at some of the stocks that are making some. The KORS, this is stock. Michael Kors is the retailer, and the retailer sector is very strong. It just went down here and 52, but the earnings came in pretty good today, and report content came in and is gapping up in the morning, so it will be above. It's a very bullish stock. Another one is LNKD, LinkedIn. This is the one that I have been following. We haven't made all these trades here on these, but these are good stock. Take a look at it. 122,000, 122, and it's sitting here after this cup shaped pattern forming a handle, and one of these days is going to break out from here. Google, which is another one here which we follow, has a very strong upward moving chart, but it's just in a nosebleed territory. 5, 6, 7 session it has just gone up without any break, and it does not do that. It just breaks a little bit and then just starts keep climbing up to 728, which is a new high it has set. Apple, which is what we have a position on, it is sitting there, and it's probably is going to get pinned tomorrow, which is the expiration day, expiration options expiration tomorrow, Friday, at around 700 if it is a move. If you look at it here, the volume has been declining on Apple as it has moved up here, and it is a sign of consolidation, the tight ranges, and not a much of a distinct change. And it is just sitting there for now. Amazon, AMZN, and I want to cover that also, is another stock here which we keep intact and follow, and it is also trucking around at 260, and it's extremely overbought. Another one that has come to my attention is lately I've been looking at AOL. This is not to say this is the type of stocks we trade, because these are less than $100, and they are good vehicles. I mean, if somebody wants to trade on a bullish basis here, 34.48 is forming a base here, and it's probably going to break out from that base. So the market direction remains solidly up, and unless change, and I'll bring you another edition.